I received this hearing device free to try, and this is what it looks like. It comes with instructions, user manual, and this is the charging station here. Okay, let's see what's this. Oh, here they are. I like that they're small and they're not that visible on the side of my head, and they are so cute too. This is the on and off button here. Perfect. The charging station has left and right for them to put. And here are the extra accessories here, the cable. This is the wax protection here, a little brush and the screwdriver, extra ends, and here is the charging indicator. It says red light charging and blue light fully charged. So I connected it to electricity and it looks great. I like how they're portable and I can carry the charger and everything in my purse. Happy with that gift.